Boomhauer69 here, and today Boomhauer's going to show you 3 pictures here of an idea I have for this channel. In case you're wondering what the noise is in the background, I just got a fan going in the window because it's July. It's 88 degrees Fahrenheit out, pretty hot out. So yeah, it's just a fan going in the background in case you're wondering what that background noise is. Now, what you see here is pictures of horseless carriages, cars from the 1800s, 1900s. And one of the ideas I have for YouTube is I would like to build my own horseless carriage from the ground up. Some people would go out and buy a vintage like Ford Model T and they would try to restore it and all that stuff. I don't want to do that. What I would like to do is in the near future is buy a bunch of parts and just build my own style of horseless carriage. Right, so my own style of vintage car from the 1800s, 1900s, my own style horseless carriage. Like I call it like the old boys had to do back in the day, you know. The old farm boys and families and stuff had to do back in the day when cars were so expensive nobody could afford them, you know, like back in the about later 1800s, early 1900s, a lot of car manufacturers were making cars, but they were so expensive that the common man couldn't own one. So what did the common person do? They simply went out in the garage and took what parts and stuff they had and tried to build their own car, you know, kind of like what Henry Ford did. Henry Ford built his own version style of a horseless carriage automobile, and then he marketed the idea. And that's kind of what I would like to do, is simply just build my own kind of horseless carriage, build my own design of an automobile, you know. That's what I would like to do in the near future on YouTube. Now, currently, I don't have the fundings to make this idea happen, but I thought, why not make YouTube videos about it and share my idea, and then later on, when my channel grows, I'll be able to have the money to buy the parts and find a mechanical engineer or somebody that can help me make this a reality, because I do not have mechanical knowledge whatsoever, and hire somebody that can help me make this dream a reality and do like they used to have to do back in the olden days, you know, build my own design of a horseless carriage automobile type thing. And that's one of the reasons why I joined YouTube, is to be able to try to make this idea here a reality. And those pictures I showed you is kind of the idea of what I'm thinking about, like design wise, you know, what kind of ideas what I'm thinking about when it comes to building my own style of vintage car, you know. So yeah, that's just a short video explaining one of the ideas I have for YouTube and what I'd like to do and stuff. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that red subscribe button, definitely help out Boomhauer69. Comment your thoughts below. I know there's going to be people out there that's going to say, well, this is a silly idea, you're retarded, dumb, whatever. And that's fine, you know. They can think whatever. But yeah, hit that red subscribe button if you would, to help out Boomhauer69. Comment below your thoughts on this idea and what you would do, you know. What would you do if you had the opportunity to build a horseless carriage? What kind of things would you add and not add and stuff, you know. Think about that, you know. Comment below your thoughts on this project, and if that would help me out. And thank you for taking the time to watch this little video here. Again, this is just an idea I have for the future, that if I get the money and the funds to, I would love to make it a reality. And again, that's why I joined YouTube, is to make my ideas a reality. Hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching.